ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਮੈਂ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ 'ਚ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਫੋਰਮ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਆਬਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਉਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਨੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ। ਬ੍ਰਦਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਿਸਟਰਸ, 67 years ago on this very day, on January 26, 1950, Indian Constitution was accepted. Before that, in the Constituent Assembly, there were 2 Sikh representatives, those who found to their dismay that the very people, those who have promised with the Sikhs that they will be given a province in the north so that they may also be able to experience the glow of freedom, they found to their dismay that they are not even ready to recognize Sikhs as a separate religion. It's a matter of fact that Article 25B of Indian Constitution describes Sikhs, Buddhists and Jains as Hindus. That was the time when 2 Sikh representatives in the Constituent Assembly, Sardar Bhupinder Singh Maan and Sardar Hukam Singh, said, "This is betrayal of the Sikhs. This is betrayal of the promises made to the Sikhs. We reject this constitution." Fact of the matter is that de facto we may be captured in Indian map, but de jure we are not part of India as we have not signed the draft of Indian Constitution. And in the last 67 years, what Sikhs have gone through, one genocide after the other. In the first week of June 1984, full-scale Indian Army attack on Golden Temple, Darbar Sahib, sanctum sanctorum of the Sikhs, and 37 Sikh historical shrines. Then in November 84, genocide of Sikhs all across India, in all cities, towns, villages, highways, roads, trains, everywhere. And after that, for a full decade, the whole of one Sikh generation has been wiped out of Punjab. And in this scenario, it is very clear that Sikhs assembled in front of Akal Takht on January 26, 1986 and passed a resolution that now no more with Hindu India, and it's a fact. And today is a day which is birthday of Baba Deep Singh Ji Shaheed as well. And we know our legacy, that how much we love Darbar Sahib, how closer to our heart is Darbar Sahib. Baba Deep Singh Ji Shaheed, who was born on January 26, he started from Damdama Sahib to Darbar Sahib to sacrifice his life for the values of truth, faith, justice and religious independence. And today we are suffering in Indian map as we have not suffered before, even in the 18th century. So the message is very clear. We are very glad that our Kashmiri brothers and sisters are standing by us, as it may be Sikhs of Punjab, Muslims of Kashmir, Christians of Nagaland, people of Manipur and Assam, and Dalits all over India. They have suffered under this Indian brahminical regime. Unfortunately, Indian system has been able to give this false information to the outside world that India is the largest democracy on this planet. But contrary to that, India is a dictatorship, India is a Hindocracy, it is a Hindu nation. And the day when the RSS took control over India in 2014, what is happening in Punjab, what is happening in Kashmir, and what is even happening in Goa now, which is a 40% Christian majority state, it is very obvious. So the message is very clear from in front of United Nations that we all oppressed, suppressed, repressed minorities of India, Sikhs, Christians, Muslims, tribals, Dalits, we all are together, and we will break this artificial union called India as Soviet Union, dissipated into 15 different countries, as Yugoslavia broke into 7 countries. So similarly, India will be broken into more than 10 pieces. There is no doubt about it. We condemn the Indian oppression in Kashmir. In the last 5 months, over 15,000 people have been injured, over 100 had been killed, hundreds of youngsters have been blinded through their parrot guns. We condemn this kind of repression. We are with our Kashmiri brothers, with Naga brothers and sisters, and let, with a vociferous voice here, we may give the message, Akal Takht to aayi awaaz, Khalistan, Khalistan. Akal Takht to aayi awaaz, Khalistan, Khalistan. Akal Takht to aayi awaaz, Khalistan, Khalistan. One slogan, India out of Kashmir. India out of Kashmir. India out of Kashmir. India out of Kashmir. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.